Hey guys, Ben Simpson here at Simpson Vlogs, and welcome to another unboxing video. I know we've had quite a few of them recently on the channel, but sit back, rest now, grab a drink, kick your feet up, most importantly, have fun as I unbox the Sony PlayStation 5 HD camera. So, this is something that I require to stream. Now hopefully, I've already streamed at least 3 times, maybe at least twice, on Simpson _plays 13 over on Twitch. Now, there I would have been streaming Elden Ring. Now, hopefully I have done and this has worked. But if it hasn't, I wasted my money. Other than that, it is a really cool camera. So, the thing about PlayStation that some people don't like is their insistence on PlayStation only accessories. And or special third party exclusives only accessories. You know, for like, SanDisk or Seagate being the only ones that can do official PlayStation external drives, or their own third-party cameras. Where right now I'm recording off my Logitech StreamCam, and I can't use that for PlayStation 5, despite it having a more than capable USB-C, connection that would connect to the PlayStation if they allowed it, but they don't. So I've had to fork out my money and buy this. I will put a link down below to it on Amazon. At the time I bought it, which was about a week before this video comes out for you guys on the Monday, thankfully the new schedule change, it was around £37, down from £50, so pretty good deal. So even though I was cussing PlayStation, saying, "Oh damn you Sony, you're making me buy this stupid camera," it wasn't that as steep a price as I expected. So let's open it up. For once, I've actually took the liberty of taking off the plastic that would seal it in there, and so I'm having to pick around that on the video. Before I open this nice, very plain white box, I'd just like to say, make sure to check out links in the description. The Pokemon card giveaway is still going on. And of course, there's TikTok, Instagram, Visual, and Twitter, all linked down there for you lovely faces to enjoy. And of course, we're putting a link to Simpson _plays 13 on Twitch, my streaming, where I'll be streaming. Could stream on YouTube, but I don't want to put all my eggs in one basket. And let's see what the Twitch community is like, and let's see if we can grow on there as well. Finally, I've been a YouTuber for like 2 years now, and I've had a Twitch that was ready to go for that, but never used it. So it would be the first time. So it's a nice little white box, and inside there's not much. We just have the camera, which is attached to a cable. And it's USB-A connection. Interesting. Despite the USB-C stuff on the PlayStation and the pads being USB-C and all that, they've gone with a USB-A, or discard all this as usual, USB-A connection. So all you get inside the box is, the standard kind of manual thing. It's not much of a manual, in fact, to finally get this PlayStation 5 camera. So it's got a kind of a mount kind of thing that you can kind of stand it up on. Wait, I can just test it's standing. How does it stand? Do you know what? It kind of stands quite well. Oh, it's falling, and it fell. It stood like this for like a second or two, like a good second or two whilst I was paused there, staring at it. So yeah, we've got the camera. So it's got this clamp kind of action you could do with a clamp, and it's got this kind of almost stand up. I don't know if that's going to work for me, because I normally stand my camera around this height. So right there is right. You can see right now is roundabouts where I stand my camera normally. At this level, it would be about half the distance underneath where I normally have my camera, which could be a good or a bad thing. It could be good for my personal gameplay experience. The camera won't be away from the screen anymore. But also could be bad for you guys watching streams over on Simpson _plays 13 on Twitch. Yes, I know I'm saying that over and over again. Shameless self-promotion. You gotta do it. So yeah, this is the camera. Let's rip off the cellophane. Let's undo this paper. Oh, they've done paper. Save the turtles. Why is it plastic still and it's brown? I feel like it's paper. It feels less plasticky and more papery. Let's see how much length of coil we get on this. Is it going to be suitable enough for where my PlayStation currently sits, or am I going to have to move it? Oh, careful now, we don't want to mash up the wire. Oh, So you get around a very, very decent, I mean, it's longer than, right now it's situated, if I turn sideways, a lot longer than my arm length. So that should be suitable where the PlayStation is. PlayStation is just to my right underneath my desk. So yeah, all in all, it seems like decent quality camera. I've heard good things about it. Obviously, we'll test it out on stream. That's where it'll be a trial by fire, whether it works, whether streaming works directly from the PlayStation 5 or not. Because I don't trust any of the stream links right now. I don't think any of them are specifically for the PlayStation 5 just yet. I mean, they can do it. More on the expensive end, they can do it. I know they can do it, but are they purpose built just yet? And I'm not too sure they are. I want to hold off on wait on something like that. I think if I'm going to spend the money, I want to spend it on something good and not spend it now. Then next year, something purpose built for the PlayStation 5 to stream from it to the laptop or computer and to Twitch or YouTube come out, and then I'll be like, oh, I got the same amount of money, I've been robbed. So no, I will wait. But yeah, we're going to try this out, and hopefully it's all great. I mean, it's supposed to be good. I think it is a HD 60 FPS camera, so perfect for a gamer. I don't know if it's got its own microphone though, so I think I'll still be using my Logitech Blackout mic connected to the PlayStation. Hopefully that works out. I think it does. So yeah, all in all good. This was the PlayStation 5 HD Cam unboxed. As you can see, you don't get much in the box, you just get this. So guys, I'm going to love you and leave you on of course, another note. As of recording this, I have absolutely no idea how the Ukrainian conflict will have developed. We could all be at war by the time this comes out. It's just a really messy and not great situation. I really hope it can be resolved peacefully without any more bloodshed, and I really do pray for both the Ukrainians and the Russian people as well, because whilst we are condemning the actions of their leader, the Russian people are suffering as well because of the sanctions we've had to put in place to halt the war machine to save lives in Ukraine. So on that note, just make sure to keep yourself aware, and there's a lot of fake and stuff news going around nowadays. Just keep yourself aware of the conflict, and everyone, I hope, is safe and sound and able to enjoy this video here on Simpson Vlogs. You can like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification to get up to date with everything here on this channel, or you can check out Simpson Plays, linked in the description, along with TikTok, Instagram, Rizzle and Twitter. All lovely content for you guys to enjoy from me. Of course, there will be the link to both this new HD camera and, of course, Simpson_Plays 13 over on Twitch, where you'll be able to watch me stream games. Obviously, Elden Ring being the first and foremost of those to be streamed. Hopefully I can put those VODs up on Simpson Plays, so do check that out as well. I'm going to love you and leave you. Run it back again if you want to see more of the camera or of my lovely face. Until next time guys, peace.